Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers.
Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Gango.
Welcome to my friends at the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Sikukune 1, CS Galaxy 1. I'm joined by Mr. Choshi.
Sibo, grand me out.
I'm not.
Buffet to fighting no one to South African football as always. Buffet
That's it.
Sibo, let me start by it's a game that I'm very, very disappointed with how we should have converted our chances.
Yeah.
We got many chances in the early half, got many chances in the second half. Unfortunately, some selfish players didn't manage to convert the chances to honest.
Yeah.
We could have won this game by just 2-0 still already in the game. Because defense and really Monati are taking there's some mistakes.
Yeah.
Also, I can blame the coach. Some of the start lineups are high, but I'll explain that, bro. Let me start by then congratulating TS Galaxy for managing to come up with the goal, Steve.
Yeah.
I think TS Galaxy, to be honest with you, there's no need for me to be jealous, but realistic, Steve. TS Galaxy is a great team, Steve. This is a team that always sell each and every season, and I always tell you, they always sell each and every season, but they manage to build their team.
Yeah.
Some people have been building for 10 years, but TS Galaxy each and every season they send their players, but they build and become a great team, Steve. You will see at that other season they will sell another players. But they might go, they might be sold, but then they will still come and become a great team, Steve.
Yeah.
They always compete, not at numbers, Steve. Last season, I remember we were fighting with them again for the position for position 4, a ticket to go to CAF Confederation Cup.
Sure.
Same again this season, we're still fighting with them for the ticket to go to Confederation Cup.
Yeah.
So it's a great team, even marketing, Steve. I saw they're doing some things that other teams failing to do, Steve.
Right.
I mean, marketing, they have the supporters here, Steve.
Yeah.
Small teams don't expect too much supporters. They have some supporters. They unite Mpumalanga, Steve, to having a team, and it's just a great initiative led by Utim Sukazi. He has been in the football industry for too long, Steve. So you can see he's creating a good club. Remember, he was a scout himself. He was the agent himself. So you can see he's a lawyer himself.
Yeah.
So you can see he's doing a very remarkable job, Steve.
Yeah.
But coming to Sekhukhune, it's not like we are a bad team, Steve. I always say we are the most underrated team in the PSL, Steve. We are disrespected in the PSL, Steve. We are the most underrated team in the PSL. Steve, this is our 4th season.
Yeah.
First season we were number 11.
Yeah.
Second season we were number 7.
Yeah.
Third season we were number 3.
Okay.
We were number 4.
Yeah.
This season we are number 3. And trust me, you're still going to be at the number 3.
Yeah.
Now we don't come into the league to fight for position 8. We don't even fight to be in the position 8. We don't fight. We only fight for those CAF spots. We are always involved in those CAF spots, Steve.
Yeah.
I mean, Steve, we only fought for position for top 8. Second season. We only fought that. We don't fight for relegation, other things, Steve.
Yeah.
So it's a great team, Steve. I think today we played a sort of confusing formation in the early half, Steve. We had 5 defenders into the game, Steve. And I'm crying, why do we have 5 defenders coming to game? But you remember Eric Tingler is a person that plays football, he like counter-attack, Steve. Always rely on counter-attack. Too much defensive than counter-attack, Steve. Because of we had Chibwaba, we had Cardoso, we had Violet Lapa. Another great player from Jomo Cosmos, Steve. Jomo Sono always give the PSL great players, Steve. I mean, the likes of Ulindam Tambo, the likes of Munare. Now developing, he promoted this young player, Violet Lapas too, doing a remarkable very job as left back, Steve. That boy Nandi, in terms of overlapping, attacking and everything, will always give you the quality. I'm telling you, next season this player will not see him because he's a great quality player, Steve. Assist to Pela Alpha, cross the box quality, Steve. So I'm saying this thing, we might not see him because next season. Some teams they might come and buy him, Steve. But he's a great player, Steve. So we had 3 at the back, and he was not playing his position today. Nadala is a centre back because of we had Umjida. This guy, I forget the name, and we have also Makhaile on the other side. Abusa Kopile, and also that guy, Zon Mukwana, something like Elias. He was pushing forward, Steve. What I'm crying about is, Steve, these people, they are pushing, but then, Steve, they don't give you anything in terms of crosses to the box, Steve. We have middle sharp, Mukize and Monari. Too much defensively, honest, Steve. Sipombule, too much defensive, not playing at this only position as number 10. He don't give you those passes, but again, his quality, you can never deny that thing. He's class himself, Steve. But he was not giving us too much of the passes going creative, go forward. That's why you saw we put that Ulindam Tambo in. Once you put that Ulindam Tambo, he might not be involved in the goal, Steve. But some players, sometimes, it's not about being involved in the goal, but how you create the space for other players. Because of remember, if we are with there are two players at one position, the defender, you confuse the defender. You start having Uguti. This guy has two options. Either he's gonna go with the ball or pass the ball. So the defender become confused. So in that position, he played a very good ball by positioning himself. Keleto Makhala, Steve. I always say, if you need to mention the name Relebohile Mofokeng in the PSL awards, please don't forget Keleto Makhala, because he's doing a remarkable very job, Steve. Today, Nabe Shapa 10 assists Steve, with 4 goals in the PSL. He's number 1 in terms of the most creative player in the PSL with 10 assists, Steve. Above the names that you always preach about, Ribeiro, Mama, goals, Steve. 5 men of the match already in the league with 23 games played. So that boy is quality, Steve. His quality, even remember these days, go, Mamlusan was already quality, Steve. So you always give him those kind of goals, Steve, or he's or Aisha Bakanete, local anything. So it's a great game, Steve. Unfortunately, I expected us to win. There were many chances that were created, but unfortunately, Steve, sometimes Keleto Makhala, sometimes Steve, he doesn't pass. Kefrope is greedy too much, Steve. Sometimes you need to. We are a team. At the end of the day, we're going to celebrate that goal as a team. So you need to pass. There's some players. Sometimes they're available. Figo pass the ball, then Figo is going to score that goal. So it was disappointing to do those kind of things. But we played very well, Steve. We are going to play against Orlando Pirates, and I hope we come with a mentality of winning, not a mentality of drawing or anything. We need to win that game, Steve, to just keep our position number 3. Because Stellenbosch is coming. Stellenbosch is not sleeping. They are coming. 23 games. They have 38 points. We have 41 points. If they win their next game, but on top of us, I think in terms of goal difference, they are way better than us, Steve. But anyway, it's great team, Steve. We have done a very good job. We don't fight for top 8. Don't fight for anything, Steve. We are just there to stay, Steve. That's the thing, Steve.
Man of the match.
Man of the match. You gotta give it to Usibelebele, Steve. I mean that boy. I always say when he's playing against Coach Escalax, that boy is quality, Steve. And I don't think he's gonna stay there. To be honest with you, I don't think this season will finish. Will start next season with Escalax. That boy, you could remember games at Orlando Pirates, Chiefs. He always give you an A performance going forward, Steve. He plays sometimes a good defensive player naturally, but sometimes you see him go forward, Steve. He will always give you those goals. He's a dangerous player always when he's in the starting lineup, Steve. So the boy is doing a very remarkable job. I think Hugo Bruce need to start looking at Usibelebele. He's doing a remarkable very job. So I'm gonna give him the man of the match. Though there are some players yes, but they played very well. Lina, I think Lina has improved very well. I'm not a fan of Lina, but I'm a fan of hard work, Steve. Lina had some few mistakes when he arrived at Skukuni, but he has upgraded his game. Since from game Mamlusa announced those saves that he brought, he maintained his game, Steve. Consistency is what he's preaching each and every day. So I was Sangare they're gonna fight for that position. They're not gonna see that position if he keep it up. Again, keeper Stellenbosch. It's Galaxy. Man. He's better than Bavuma. He was doing very well, Steve. There were chances to lower him to Tamara equalize. Figo to a ball sharp and those chances for to Beckmeller Coril, Steve. Nago Boyla, and Shapatamela Shape goal in Yamushapa Moki, great save, Steve. So Vela, you can see, man, it's obvious. We don't need to even take anything. He's undebatable. The other one is whatever it is down there. He's competing with big teams like Oskukuni, Steve. So congratulations to both the teams. A draw is enough leadership.
Thank you, Chababa.